Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix error code 0x8027025a on Xbox. Method 1. Restart and clear cache Xbox console. Press and hold the Xbox button in the center of your Xbox controller to open the power center. Select Turn off console. When the console is completely turned off, unplug the power cable and disconnect any peripheral attached to your console, such as a controller, headset, external hard drive, HDMI cable, etc. Wait from 5 to 10 minutes, plug the power cable back in, then turn the console on again. After that, try play the game and see problem is fixed. Method 2. Update system software. Go to Settings. Go to System. Select Updates. This option will prompt your system to check for the latest firmware version. If you do not have the latest version, it will be downloaded to your system. Besides that, we should also check the game version. Method 3. Check server status. Just press Xbox button on the controller. After that, navigate to Xbox support. Select Xbox status. If you see any services with alerts, expand the service, scroll down to notifications, and sign in to receive a message when the service is up and running again. Method 4. Move problematic game app on external hard drive to internal hard drive. If you are not using an external hard drive, please skip this method. Just go to Settings. Go to System. Select Storage Devices. Select your external hard drive. Select Move or Copy. Select the problematic game, then select Move Selected. Select Move. Once done, try play the game and see problem is fixed. If not, try uninstall and reinstall the game on internal hard drive. Method 5. Hard reset Xbox console. Go to Settings. Go to System. Select Console Info. Select Reset Console. Select Reset and keep My Games and Apps and follow the instructions. Finally, if the problem persists, come back here and select the Reset and Remove Everything option. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.